Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Acer full modular power supply. This variant is the 650 watts 80 plus bronze certified. I got this unit from Shopee and I'm excited to see what Acer has packed inside. Let's get started. First of all, the box. It's plastic wrap sealed. Let's unseal it. The design Acer keeps it clean and minimal with a picture of the 80 plus certificate in front and a grayish box on the side. It has the picture of the PSU. And it has the specs, and you can pause it if you want to read it. And the other side, AC series. Okay, this power supply delivers 650 watts of continuous power, which is perfect for mid-range to even some high-end gaming builds. Okay, let's unwrap it like a Kit Kat chocolate. It's nice. It has a carton sealed. So, okay, first off the box, Acer. Okay, the power supply unit itself nicely tucked in. A full set of grill, steel grills. Okay, a full set of modular cables. These are flat block cables, which will definitely help with clean cable management. Okay, 120 mm fan. Okay, these are self-locking for cable management. I believe this is the standard power cord. And yeah. In terms of build quality, the Acer PSU feels solid with no rattles or loose parts. The finish looks premium, and the modular connectors are firm and well labeled. I also appreciate that Acer kept the design simple, no flashy RGB, just performance focus. So that's the unboxing of the Acer full modular